Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's back again with another video. I haven't posted in a while. The reason for that is because I've been having a lot of microphone camera issues. You know, a lot of people been having issues with crackling and popping from their GoPro Hero 9. I unfortunately have not been absolved from that problem. I've been having the same issue. So I didn't want to subject anybody watching my videos to that kind of craziness, because I know I wouldn't want to watch a minute of, crackling and popping and stuff like that. So a lot of my content, I deleted it, because when I went back and looked over it, I was like, no, I can't post that. I definitely can't post that. So I had a Purple Panda microphone system with my GoPro Hero 9, and it worked perfectly fine at first. Then for some odd reason, Purple Panda went out on me, and it wouldn't capture any audio. So I plugged it in. I'm riding. I would see video. All I heard was white noise when I tried to do the playback, and obviously can't post that either. So I deleted a lot of content because of that. And so I tried another off-brand microphone from Amazon, from this company called Movo. And that microphone, while it worked, the audio was subpar at best. Like, it sounded real tinny, real hollow. The popping and crackling was just accentuated. And I don't know if it was because of that microphone. I'm not gonna say it's because of the microphone, but I do know that when I had the Purple Panda hooked up, I could hear my motorcycle when I'm recording my videos, and the sound was just clear. So I went on ahead and I ordered another Purple Panda, which I'm using right now, and it's hooked up to my helmet, and that's where I'm getting the audio from right now. So I'm just hoping that when I go riding today, because I'm going to take the motorcycle out, I'm going to ride to work. I'm just hoping that when I ride to work today, I get the sounds are good, and I'm going to see how that works. But yeah, that's the reason why I haven't been posting, besides other adulting stuff, like being at work, which I have my uniform, and that's what I'm getting ready to go do. But I just couldn't get the content to come out like I wanted them, and I had a good bit of content. I was riding with my homeboy DJ Scrape, you know what I mean? Recorded that, all that video gone. So I'm trying again, because I don't want to have to purchase another GoPro camera, because these cameras are not cheap. They're not like $100 here. Cameras are like $400, probably more than that. And for some reason, GoPro, they know of the issue. I know they know, because people are complaining, and they just won't do anything. They just make a new camera, and people just got to buy a new camera. So I'm hoping by replacing the microphone and putting another Purple Panda, that will solve my crackling and popping issue when I'm riding. If so, then I'll start posting again. If not, then you're just gonna see this video, and until I get a new camera system, perhaps go outside of the GoPro ecosystem, then maybe I'll start posting again. But for right now, the cheaper route was to buy another Purple Panda. I could buy another GoPro, but I'm gonna try the cheaper route first, and see how that works. I changed a lot of my settings in the camera. I looked at other YouTubers, what kind of settings that they have, that they're using for clear video, audio settings in their GoPro Hero 9, and I have those settings set up on my camera. I have the sponge, that little microphone muff thing, to kind of limit wind noise, and we're gonna see. And the funny thing is, my friend DJ Scrape, he has the GoPro Hero 10, and he doesn't even have the wind noise deflection thing or whatever, and his videos sounds crystal clear. So I'm hoping I can get the same results with putting a new Purple Panda mic, and we're gonna see how it goes. So I'm gonna hop on the bike now and we gonna make it do what it do. All right. Peace for right now. What up, folks? We out here getting ready to get on the motorcycle. Hopefully y'all can hear my voice loud and clear. Here the machine right here warming up, geared up. You know what I mean? A little bit hot, but gotta don the gear if you want to be safe. So we gonna head out here. We'll do some adult business. Gotta go to work. Parts is not cheap to pay for, so you gotta work. So I'm gonna get back with y'all as soon as I hit the highway. See me sweating a little bit. I'm gonna get back with y'all as soon as I hit the highway. All right, peace. Almost on the beltway. Got 30 minutes to get to work. I'm about 20 minutes away. Hopefully there's ain't no heavy traffic. A lot of folks around this area can't drive properly. You got Virginia and DC mixed in one little area. Recipe for disaster. See a Virginia tag, you run far from them, far. Them folks drive like they got blinders on. They don't see nothing in the peripheral. They just see straight ahead. About these fools, Pennsylvania drivers. See? Virginia. Man, I tell you what, these boys, man.
Honestly, the best part of my work day. Riding to work. Yo, these dudes. Yesterday I came to work, it was an accident right out here. But they, in this area, they love doing construction in the middle of the day. They love it. But let's see how we can inconvenience people going to work. I know. Construction in the middle of the goddamn day. That'll do it. Freaking peasants going to work. Yeah. Got all the traffic, but now I'm almost at work. There's a traveler construction over there, construction over here, construction everywhere. Construction everywhere. Time to go do the adult thing. I'm gonna get up with y'all folks another time, man. But I could really ride, because right now it's time to get off and go to work. Alright, I'm gonna holler at y'all. Oh, wait, a little bit of open road. Always fun. Y'all take it easy and stay safe out there.